In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an electrician's backpack, basically a tool backpack from the company Hvac. It looks like that's what that is. Hvac, how about that? And this little insert came with it right here. This insert would be down for like screwdrivers and all different sizes. You got a little bit of elastic there. It's like a hardened type insert. I absolutely love the feel of this bag. It's basically indestructible. Look at this base. It has a nice base so it can sit just like that. A lot of storage pockets in here. We got pockets in here. The zipper quality feels nice on it. This actually folds up like that, so it opens up to give you a little platform. You've got a lot of storage inside of here. I'm just gonna go over all the storage and show you all the different pockets so you can put screwdrivers, nuts, bolts, pliers. Over here, maybe some sort of drill, and then a type of like maybe a pencils and things like that. You have adjustment on the side if you want to hook it over and like hang it off a ladder or something like that. This back part right here is padded so you could put your tablet or laptop down inside there. So it's actually a pretty solid, this would be a decent little travel bag if you wanted to put all that. Look at that nice cordage right there. So you could lock this down, and that's a nice cord. You're not cutting that. It's gonna be tough to get through that. That is an actual wire in there. And then open up the big pocket here in the front. Look how it just falls down like that. In this area right here, you've got different types of storage. So you got see-through storage, tons of these little small pockets for storage screwdrivers. So if you wanted to, you could slide this down in here like that, and it just gives you an additional storage pocket. It's a wide open area. Oh, you got a little place right here for your drill, so you can hang like your drill or a nut driver or something like that, and it could go around there. Very nice, very high quality. It feels like this high quality canvas, slightly waterproof, but it's not, it's more water resistant than it is waterproof. But this is something I'm gonna be using amongst my travels when I do my little kind of projects outside and things like that. I'll start setting it all up. I like that it has that middle piece there too. Check that out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the Electrician's Toolkit by Hvac. See you all in the next video.